What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be going over the Bitcoin price and what it is that we are currently seeing right now with this channel that could be forming here, because as you guys know, in the last video we were talking about 38K basically looking like an area that we could see some potential moves up from, or all the way down to 37,200, and that would kind of fit in pretty well with this idea right here as far as a channel kind of forming, because you have this midpoint that's pretty well respected, and it is possible that we would do something like this where we come up, hit this, come back down, hit this area right here, and then just continue our way all the way up like that. That's definitely a possibility, but let's go ahead and hide this really quickly. So that's just one of the ideas that we have. Again, if you guys would like to trade this idea along with us, I've got the bybit link down below this video. You can get up to $600 for free, and I have the Discord where we are live trading. Let's see, you guys can see our trade and chill section. We got a lot of people in there. We also have some exo charts and stuff like that from Max. So join us there if you guys want to get in on this. But yeah, we were talking about this area right around here. What the hell is this? I did not mean to select that. I was talking about this. This area somewhere. Why is it still doing this? I'm clicking this. Do you see that? What the fuck? All right. This area right around here is kind of where we're looking for a possible long opportunity. And also, too, big shout outs to all of the people who are just joining us over in the Discord. So thank you guys very much for that. What happened to my TA? Hello? Oh, there it is. So let's take a look at the EMAs really quickly as well. And like we were talking about, I was kind of warning about the fact that we did have these bearish divergences here at the highs on the 4-hour. So we are seeing a little bit of a pullback. Somebody in the because I'm live streaming on both of my YouTube channels right now, somebody in the live stream was talking about breaking the market structure if we come down to 30 something, 37,000, 38,000. But that's not actually true. We won't break the high-low market structure until we start to break down below here, the 36K. As long as we keep this right here, then 36,500, then that means that we're still in higher low market structure right now. And so as long as that stays intact, like I said, we could see some movement from Bitcoin, like I said, down to here and back up to the upside. And I think that would actually be pretty healthy. So that way we can get ourselves some short stops to take. You have some short stops up here, up here, up here. You're going to have some right around here. And if we did come back up to the middle of this range, that would actually be pretty good, because then we could have a back test of this once support right here, flip that into resistance, which lines up with the midpoint of the channel, then come back down, hit these lows like we're talking about, and then push our way to the upside. So yeah, and then like I said, Michael, if you're watching a live, can you you're Michael C. Okay. So we have Michael C here posting up his ideas in the traders and charter section. And once you join the Discord, you're going to be put into the watchers, and then once you prove that you're actually interested in trading, and by posting up your charts, posting up your ideas, and actually trading, then you'll get moved to traders, charters. And the way you get to become a trader is if you actually start posting up your ideas and your profits and losses and stuff like that, as you can see here. For me, if you guys want, again, we got the bybit link down below. If you guys want to be taking some of these trade ideas, 2,500. I'm still long from 28,900. I've been in that trade for like a month and a half. But let's take a look at Michael's idea here. So we have this daily, we have a weekly level, looking for a short opportunity all the way, back down to the bottom of the range. Okay, I see. I don't doubt that this couldn't happen. I don't really, for me personally, I don't really look at bigger ideas like this, because who knows what could happen. This is like, we're talking about August 15th. I mean, who knows what's going to happen, but this could be a good idea if your first take profit was maybe the middle of the range and stuff. But I like the idea. I just don't look that far into the future, because every time I do every time anybody else does. I've never seen anybody really be correct necessarily. But yeah, I like the idea. The risk to reward is there, and it makes sense, right? Because we did have that higher term from, if we're looking at things from a higher term time frame, that works, right? We have our divergences showing up. We're at the top of the range. We hit the daily levels. We put in our divergences. Each and every candle as we went up was less volume than the last candle. And so that could allow us to come back down. We took out all these stops right here. Everybody's bullish. Crypto, Carl from the Moon, all these people, I'm not ragging on them at all, right? They had their reasons to be bullish, but everybody's in like really super fat long positions because they thought this is going to the moon now. And so that is very easily able to stop those people out. So if you're in a long, the way you get stopped out is a short. So you're going to have massive, massive, massive long positions getting stopped out. And so that could send us all the way back down to the bottom. So, yeah, I'd say that that's a pretty good idea. What else is there? But as far as that goes, if we're going to be looking at the range here, let's take a look. Let's get rid of this right here. Make sure all of our high volume nodes are good to go. Oh, wow, look at this channel. It's actually pretty well respected here. So, yeah, I would say that this is pretty sexy. Let's go ahead and hide this. Let's see where we're at right here. Yeah, this 618 golden zone right here does make sense. 33,200. Let's take a look at this. I think if we do an expansion here. Let's do expansion. Yeah, okay. So we already are having let's see. Is this? Yeah, we're already having the 1.618 expansion. We're also already having the golden zone showing up right around here, 33,500. So that's definitely looking like a really sexy area to be possibly taking along from if we do come down. Let's see, what else do we have here? Yeah, that's really it. Let's just take a look at the EMAs and let's take a look at the RSIs. Yeah, oh god, the 4-hour RSI coming all the way down to here would probably put it at a pretty strong reset. So yeah, 33,500 is definitely looking like a pretty sexy area. Let's see here. Let's do this. Morgan Freeman watching, but from the start. Okay. Anyways, let's see. What else do we have here? EMAs. What are the EMAs looking like? Ooh. What does the daily look like? Wow, 35. We have some EMA showing up for the daily. Oh, look at that. Getting held up by the 200 and the 100. All right, so see, yeah, exactly like I was talking about. We were closing way too far outside of the Bollinger Band. We needed some type of pullback. If we come back to the middle of the Bollinger Band, that's 34,500, 35,000, 34,500. Let's see what this 4 hour is looking like here. 35. Yep. We do have the bullish cross. That's really, really good sign. We have the bottom of the Bollinger Band coming in there. Let's see, on the 1 hour, more of the shorter term time frame, we do have the 200 coming in. We have the 100 saving our ass right now. We're actually pretty low on the 1 hour. I would say that also too on the 1 hour, if we're just looking at these, I think we have this showing up here. So as soon as we break this trend line, then that's probably when we're going to start to head back up, which again, it does look like we could just come down, come back up. Each scenario that I was saying kind of lines up with the 1 hour RSI. Let's go ahead and put an alert on this bad boy too. Whoops, I don't want to notify on the app. Play a sound. What is this thing? Yeah, let's do this. So we could end up coming up to here, which would probably touch this thing and then come back down, reset on the 1 hour RSI, and then pop up. That would actually look pretty good. Maybe come close to testing this. The daily chart does not look necessarily bearish. I don't know what looks bearish. Grega, if you're in the Discord, please post your idea somewhere. I want to see what you're talking about there. What else do we have? Let's take a look at the 30-minute, more of like the medium-term time frame stuff. As you guys can see here, we do also kind of have the same idea on the 30-minute. Let's go ahead and put this. Let's pull this right here. Let's see. Yeah, 30-minute RSI. A lot of resistance coming up here on the 30-minute EMAs as well. And we have some resistance showing up on the 15. We got held up by that. We put in our bullish divergences. What else do we have here? Yeah, we had some bullish divergences showing up at these lows right here to here. Oh, wow, those are huge. Huge bullish divergences. What is that? Oh my God. Do you guys see that? That's huge. There's tiny divergences here, then there's massive divergences between these two. Then there's divergences between this and this right here. So there's just bullish divergences everywhere. Let's see. Yeah. All right, so things are definitely looking bullish at these lows. We're above the weekly VWAP. Let's see what else is there. I think that would be about it for the YouTube video for Bitcoin. I think I'm going to make some other coins. So again, make sure you guys are joining us over on the Discord, joining us on bybit, and that's really about it.